Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Shopify crypto payment apps for US customers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type crypto payment and press enter. Browse through the available options and select a crypto payment app that suits your needs. Click on the app to open its details page. Review the app's features and pricing information. If you're satisfied, click the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the app onto your Shopify store. Once installed, you will be redirected to the app settings page. Here, you can configure the payment options according to your preferences. Make sure to enable the payment methods you want to offer. Read through the app's documentation for any additional setup instructions. Next, navigate back to your Shopify settings. Select the Payments option in the Settings menu. Look for the section labeled Alternative Payment Methods. Select the crypto payment. Save your changes to finalize the setup. Now, run a test transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. Confirm that your store is effectively processing crypto payments. With these steps, you're now ready to accept cryptocurrency from US customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.